Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Torrey. I'm just taking a minute to do a little audio voiceover here to explain our anchor chart. There are two different kinds of orders when you're thinking about text structure. The first one is chronological order, and the other one is sequential order. And although they have a lot of similarities, there are some things that make them specifically different. So we'll talk first about chronological order. You'll see here that I have it broken down. The word itself has a lot of meaning. So chrono means time and logic means order. So this is in time order. The thing about chronological order is it's when it includes dates and times, specific times or eras or months. That's when you know it's in chronological order. You'll see it in things like timelines, history books. If you're looking at events of the day, a schedule, that's chronological order. Now, chronological order, obviously things happen in a certain time frame and then they continue, and that kind of leads us into the next kind of order, which is sequential order. Sequential order is slightly different because it's not necessarily labeled with dates and times. Instead, it's events in which there is a certain order that things have to occur in order to get to the end. So if you look at some of the examples, you'll have instructions, a how-to book, cookbooks. The recipes are definitely something that often will require sequential order. The directions when putting things together, directions when you're having a lesson, when you're putting together a craft. And certainly our lessons are something that have a certain sequential order. It wouldn't make sense for you to take a test before learning a lesson. You'll notice that there are some signal words for sequential order, and these are ones that you're really familiar with. You've been using them since you're very little. First, second, third, next, after, initially, following, then, before, and not long after. These are words that clue us in that we're looking at the sequence of something happening, that one thing must happen before the next. So the difference again, chronological has a specific time or date. Sequential is more about the order or sequence in which it must occur. All right, I hope that helps you out a little bit. If you were absent listening to this small video, certainly will help you to understand what we talked about in class. All right, talk to you soon.